What is going on, guys? Nervold here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how to take bigger dabs, or bigger bong rips, whatever, but this is pretty much just for dabbing right now, but it's going to be the same thing either way. But there's a few tips I have for you guys in this video, so if you're interested, just watch the entire video, and I'm going to be taking a few dabs myself out of this bong right here. 16 inches. It's pretty nice, I like it. Anyways, I'm going to be taking a few dabs and telling you guys how to cough less when you're taking dabs and everything. But it will work as bong rips, like I said. But the first tip I have is to take big breaths before you're taking a dab. So I'm going to start heating this nail. But as long as before you start, just take some really deep breaths. And take a few deep breaths, pretty much while you're heating is what I like to do. And it's usually enough to just take some breaths. And this just gets your lungs ready to inhale smoke. It gets them ready to feel like they're about to inhale smoke. So it really helps. Also, never cough when smoke's in your lungs. If you cough with smoke in your lungs, it's gonna make it taste really bad, and it's gonna be really bad for you. Don't cough with smoke in your lungs. If you're gonna cough, get the smoke out of your lungs before you cough, because it's gonna be a whole bunch worse if you have smoke in your lungs. So make sure the smoke's out of your lungs if you end up coughing or anything like that. Also, if you try not to cough, if you just spend a second and if you try not to cough pretty much, you'll be good. Because if you start coughing, it's just going to lead to a whole bunch of other coughs. So what I like to do is after I take the dab, I just sort of sit there and I try my hardest not to cough. And if you don't cough, it won't lead to a whole bunch of other coughs preceding that. And it just helps you a whole bunch. You'll see. Cheers. So afterwards, take some breaths. No, help you. And if you have water or something near you, definitely drink it. But you just have to drink some water or anything, and that'll sort of help it a little bit. But it's sort of going away now, pretty much. I'm feeling fine. So let's just go over what I said. Pretty much, after you exhale the smoke, you want to try not to cough, because if you cough, it's going to lead to a whole bunch of other coughs preceding that, and that's not good. You also want to make sure you don't heat your nail too hot. If you're like heating your nail or something like that, I forgot to mention that. If you're heating your nail, don't heat it too hot, because that can lead to harsher rips and stuff like that. So try to go for low temp dabs, especially. Don't cough with smoke in your lungs, because if you cough with smoke in your lungs, that's going to be really bad for you too. And it's pretty much everything. I'm going to take another dab before we get out of here. But this is just a really quick video. It's nothing like special or anything. Just a quick 5-minute video. I'm going to try to take a dab before we end this here. I'll show you some of this wax up close real quick. But I have 5 grams in the slick right here, and then I have another gram, some wax paper right here. It's not the best, but like I said, it was only 10 bucks. So, and I got 7 grams of it, so I paid 70 in total. I got 7 grams, so that was definitely worth it. If you can get some wax that cheap, definitely try to. But I'm gonna get ready, take this dab. Start heating this nail. Anyways, alright, gotta get ready. Thank you guys so much for watching my video though. If this video helped you, be sure to watch more of my videos. I'm gonna have a whole bunch more coming up too. this channel, I pretty much just post random meme videos, whatever I feel like uploading. Sometimes I'll edit random shit whenever I'm bored. So watch whatever you want. I'm probably gonna have like some Supreme videos, some clothing videos, or something like that up here. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to post a whole bunch of different stuff. But like I said, take those breaths, and that'll really help you. This dab's pretty low temp. Cheers. It's Minerval. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, favorite, and subscribe. Peace.